Staff Sergeant Shane McGowan from St. Louis, Missouri, and Senior Airman Enrique Rivera from Turlock, California. Ladies and gentlemen, from your right, Captain Brown in the F-16 Fighting Falcon. Brown is now repositioning his aircraft using gears to demonstrate low altitude, high-speed capability of the fighter. As code matches so severe, it can be traveling at over 700 miles per hour, less than half the F-16's top speed. As Captain Brown returns to show center from the left, he will accelerate rapidly and snap the Fighting Falcon through 3 aileron rolls, demonstrating its exceptional rolling maneuverability. Dogfight, the ability to turn tightly is crucial. Watch now as Captain Brown shows you just how exceptional the F-16 is in a 9G turn. At show center, he will bank sharply into a tight turn, capable of pressing the pilot into the seat with a force of 9 times his normal weight. Completed in less than 6,000 feet. stayed unpredictable, then quickly transitioned from a horizontal fight into a vertical fight. Captain Brown is now repositioning and slowing the F-16 down in preparation for a slow speed pass. While the Viper can fly at more than twice the speed of sound, the slow speed controllability is just as important to those who fly it. As Code approaches show center from the right, notice the gray paint scheme of the F-16, one that's designed to make it more difficult to find visually in conditions ranging from bright sunshine sky to dull overcast. Passing show center, you will apply full afterburner and accelerate the aircraft into a near vertical climb. Watch now as Captain Brown approaches from your left for another high-speed pass. Ladies and gentlemen, get your cameras ready as Captain Brown prepares to demonstrate the combination of the F-16's exceptional thrust and flight control system that make the knife edge maneuver possible. From your right, the F-16 Fighting Falcon and the knife edge pass. Captain Brown is now setting up for a maximum performance climb with a series of aileron rolls. As he pulls back on the stick, you will see the F-16's exceptional power and rolling capability as he climbs from 300 feet to more than 15,000 feet. is now repositioning his F-16 behind and to the left to set up for a dedication pass. Captain Brown and the rest of the PACAF F-16 demo team from the 35th Fighter Wing wish to dedicate this pass to all those men and women from all branches of the U.S. Armed Forces and its allies who are bravely fighting around the world or who have lost their lives while defending freedom. We salute you. Captain Brown is now approaching from your right for his last maneuver, a tactical pitch-up. He will cross show center from your right at 500 feet and perform a rolling pitch-up as he turns to the downward leg of the landing pattern. Code has lowered his landing gear. As he approaches the runway, he will decelerate to about 150 miles per hour, enabling the F-16 to stop in less than 3,000 feet if necessary. Add its ability to take off from relatively short runways, and you have a fighter that can operate from thousands of airfields in virtually every country in the world. While today's demonstration shows you how well the F-16 can maneuver in combat, what we cannot show you is its striking power. The Viper can hit targets well outside of visual range while flying faster than the speed of sound. Add the superb view provided by its bubble canopy, and you have the world's best single-seat, multi-role fighter.